Supply chains are all around us. Everything that we wear, that we eat, that we touch or use every day was part of some supply chain that transformed raw material from some other location into a finished product that you're enjoying now. Supply chains literally connect the world. My name is Chris Kaplis, and I'm the Executive Director for MIT's Center for Transportation and Logistics. I'd like to talk about why you might be interested in completing the MITx MicroMasters credential in supply chain management. So, what is supply chain management? Basically, it's the art and science of getting products from where they are made to where you, the consumer, want them to be. It's how the pair of shoes you ordered online are manufactured in Italy and sent to your front door in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It's how the pears from Chile get to your supermarket in Winnipeg, Canada in the winter. It's how your smartphone was assembled with more than 100 parts from over a dozen different countries. And it's not just about moving stuff around. Service industries, like restaurants, tourism, and healthcare, have some of the most sophisticated supply chains. You can think of supply chain management as managing three flows: the flow of the physical product, the flow of information, and the flow of money. It also deals with the reverse flow of products at the end of their life for recycling, remanufacturing, or disposal. While the term itself, supply chain management, wasn't coined until the 1980s, the art and science of logistics dates back to ancient Roman times. It combines both theory and practice. You need to master these theoretical concepts, but also be able to temper them with practical considerations. So supply chain management is a hybrid area that combines different disciplines, methods, and ideas. Supply chain management is the backbone of the global economy. The need for professionals who can design, manage, and operate these complex global supply chains continues to grow. This is why we created the online courses that comprise the MicroMasters credential in supply chain management. Our main objectives are to provide access to supply chain education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free, and to offer an official credential of achievement for a modest fee. The MicroMasters credential can be used to advance your career as well as be a first step in earning the master's degree in supply chain management. We've organized the courses by theme. The MicroMasters consists of 5 online courses, followed by an intensive capstone final exam. The first course, SC0X Supply Chain Analytics, covers the basic mathematical techniques that are used in supply chain management software systems. The next course is SC1X Supply Chain Fundamentals. We'll examine different forecasting techniques, develop inventory replenishment policies, and analyze transportation mode trade-offs. SC2X Supply Chain Design builds directly off of SC1X to illustrate how to design the 3 primary flows within a supply chain: the physical, the financial, and the information. SC3X explores the softer side of supply chains and introduces some of the complexities inherent in real operations. This class explores how different firms and supply chains interact with each other. Finally, SC4X Supply Chain Systems and Technology, we show how all of these activities are performed in practice. We'll dive into big data management, since data is the lifeblood of any supply chain. We'll also map out the different off-the-shelf software tools and systems that most companies use to manage their supply chains. We'll finish up with a simulation that ties together some of the complexities and challenges that you will face in practice. These SCX courses combine practical and theoretical concepts and have the same breadth, depth, and rigor as the courses I teach on campus here at MIT. I love teaching these classes because the concepts and techniques are universal. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all supply chains, from Fortune 500 firms all the way to your own home.